In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur a photo background in Fotor. We'll walk through the exact path inside Fotor so you can quickly soften distracting backgrounds and make your subject pop. First, open your browser and go to Fotor.com. Give the page a moment to load completely so all the editing tools initialize properly. When you're on the site, log into your account. Logging in ensures you can access your projects and keep your edits synced across devices. Next, start a new project or head to your library to open an existing one you want to edit. Either option gets you into the editor with your image on the canvas. Once your project is open, look to the editing controls and go to Adjust. Inside Adjust, scroll to the Advanced Edits section. That's where you'll find the Blur Background tool. Click Blur Background. Fotor will analyze your photo and detect the subject automatically. This processing can take a few seconds, especially with detailed images, so just let it finish. When the blur is applied, you'll see the background soften while the main subject stays sharp. Now fine-tune the effect. Use the blur radius control to set how strong the blur should be. A lower radius gives a gentle, natural look, great for portraits or product shots. A higher radius creates a stronger separation if the background is very busy. Watch the edges of your subject as you adjust, aiming for a smooth transition that doesn't look overdone. You can also add or subtract blur right on the image. If some background areas need more softness, paint blur onto those spots. If any part of your subject looks hazy, subtract blur there to bring it back into focus. Take your time around hair, hands, or other fine details to keep them crisp. Small, deliberate strokes usually produce the cleanest results. As you tweak, pause to view the whole image so you're judging the effect beyond the zoomed-in details. The goal is to guide the viewer's eye to what matters most without making the blur the star of the show. Subtle adjustments often look the most professional. When you're happy with how the background looks and your subject stands out clearly, your blur background edit is complete. That's all there is to it. Go to Fotor.com, log in, open your project, navigate to Adjust, choose Blur Background under Advanced Edits, let it process, and then refine the blur radius and brush it in or out as needed. Thanks for watching and enjoy your polished, distraction-free photos.